Chief Minister gi Haksel gi Tengbang Cmht amadi Ayushman Bharat Pmjay scheme gi makhada impanel tauraba laingaki amadi lanai hospital singna lairaba patient singdagi aranba mawongda yamlaba senfam khomgatle health scheme gi makhada lupa crore chatret henbagi senfam health department gi official sing yauna haina thokre haina opposition member MLA ke Ranjit na assembly mifamda maral sibagi wafam fogdokpaga loyana achoba scandal asi house committee ama semlaga thidoktuna action lokhat si haina house ki pukning chingsinkhre chathariba state assembly gi budget mifamda medical health amadi family welfare services ki demand for grant pass taunabagi khanaba matamda MLA Ranjit na cut motion thangatladuna wafam asi house ta phongdokhibane MLA sina makhatana Janimsta mioi ama numit tarani layeng bada lupa lising tara taruk changna syringe chani ga tara manga sizinabagi report lairi masigi mathakta lenga ke hospital singna health scheme gi piriba senfambo impanel tauraba pharmacy ga lautunaraga lenga ki senfam lauthokle thawong asimak lenga ki fan huran bani achoba scandal amani haike loina health scheme gi makhada lupa crore chatret rom gi senfam huran khibage scandal asi department ke official sing yaudana ngamloi haina su house ta thamke amarom the health scheme asi monitor tawriba South India da based tawba Medi Assist company asina thabak tawdana Manipur laingak tagi lupa crore kunma thoirom gi senfam lawkhre company asi logi matungina book tawgada bani haina su MLA Ranjit na house ki kuthangda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan gi pukning chingsinke achoba maral kaya siriba wafam asida Chief Minister Khemchana health scheme asi implement tawbada asoiba kharadi laire athuba matamda atopa department gi official sing yauna departmental inquiry tawgani aranba tawba thengnarabade action lawgani haiba wafam thamke loina health scheme asi MD India kauba company amana assist tawre haiba wafam su house ta phongdoke